So today was all about scouting out an area. So I had to hike in a good wall through thick wilderness and a lot of bushwhacking. And I had to mark the trail to make sure, number one, I can get back, and also, of course, be able to find the spot again next time. So I'm here. It was, like I said, I'm kind of beat now just from finding the spot today and from marking the trail. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some lunch. It is now around 12 o'clock, 12:30. Ready to get some lunch. I just got a can of soup I'm going to heat up and a sandwich and make a cup of coffee. Then once I get lunch, I'm going to just look around this location which is where I'm going to build, and just make sure that I pick the exact spot that I want to start the build in. So that's it. Thanks for joining me. I think this is going to be a really neat little project. I really liked how it turned out last year. It was a great bit of fun putting the semi-permanent shelter together, and it was really cool when it all came together and I was able to come up and do an overnight. So, like I said, thanks for joining me. I'm gonna get some lunch and then get going with day number one. Probably not going to get a whole lot done today, but at least we'll get a start.
spot now. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 solid trees that are standing. They're going to provide a support, so it's going to be some combination of 3 or 4 of these trees that are going to make the foundation for the structure. We'll see you on day number 2 of the structure building in a little while.